Address Find is available via the cloud or web services that can be integrated into your own browser-based application. It utilizes an address database that covers over 98% of the deliverable addresses in the US, meaning you get real answers, not guesses based on a zip4 router.
Address Find returns results faster than any other similar application, requiring as few as 8 keystrokes to verify an address, meaning you will spend less time finding the answer and more time with your customer. Address Find returns all the information you need to determine if you have the correct address on the first search, reducing time and entry errors. Most customers will know their zip code. You can begin a search with that information.
To begin, enter your user ID and password.
If this is your first search, you will have to enter your user ID and password.
The Tab key will move the cursor to the password field. The Tab key is used to move from field to field in this application. Pressing the Tab key again will let you select either a street address search or a post office box search. In this case, we are going to search for a street address.
Press the Tab key again to start entering a zip code.
After entering the zip code, press the Tab key again to move to the street name field. The customer said their address was on Seascape in 75093. Now click the Find button to begin the search.
Address Find returns the first 50 addresses it finds on Seascape in 75093. Up to 50 addresses is the default and can be modified. Note that complete information is returned on the selected addresses. No need for further searches if the address is here.
The customer said their address begins with the number 53, so let's modify the search. Click the Find button.
Now we only have street numbers that begin with 53. The results are now less than 10 options.
Let's enter another zip code. Notice when you do that the fields from the previous search clear.
After entering 75025, press the Tab key to move to the street name field.
Address Find needs 2 address elements to begin the search. And it only needs 3 characters to use. In this case, we are giving it 5 characters.
Again, click the Find button. The first 50 addresses that start with clear in 75025 are returned. You can search the pages returned, or you can provide more information to limit the results if you want to reduce the options even more.
On occasion, a customer may not remember their zip code offhand. However, they can tell you the city and state in which they live. Let's do an address verification based on starting with a city and state only.
Select the state drop-down list to begin, and identify the state for which you are searching. In this case, it is California.
Now press the Tab key to move to the city field and enter the city name you were given. With the city name in place, press the Tab key to move to the street name field.
After tabbing to the street name field, type in the street name and press the Tab key once to move to the predirectional field.
No predirectional was given, so press the Tab key again to move to the street number field. Type in the street number the customer gave you. In this case, it was 11. Click the Find key. The search returned only one matching address. If you press the button under the Select column, the address is copied to the window titled Selected Address. When you select that address, it can either be copied to another application or sent directly to an application if you have created a connector to it.
Customers often forget to let you know they live in an apartment, or that they live at an address that needs a secondary address number. As before, enter a zip code to start. Address Find does not need multiple queries to identify that an address needs a secondary number.
After entering the zip code, press the Tab key to move to the street name field. Enter the street name. In this case, it is Lake. Then press the Tab key to move to the predirectional field. In this case, there is a predirectional the customer gave you to enter. Then press the Tab key to move to the street number field.
The customer's street number is 560. Enter it now. Click the Find key.
Notice that Address Find knows that there are secondaries needed at this primary address. The system brings them to you without any added search. Some applications accept any secondary address you enter as valid. Address Find is working off a database and not a range router. It knows the correct secondaries.
On many occasions, the customer does not tell you that they live at an address that has a predirectional needed. Many times, there are several addresses that might be valid, if the predirectional is ignored. Enter a zip code. Then press the Tab key to move to the street name field.
The customer lives on 4th. They did not give you a predirectional, so tab over to the street number field.
The street number is 22 that you were given. Click the Find button.
22 North 4th Street and 22 South 4th Street are both valid addresses. Ask the customer which is correct.
There are many street names, in many zip codes, that the only difference is the street suffix, such as way or avenue. You can immediately identify this issue with your search in Address Find.
Enter the zip code. After entering the zip code, press the Tab key to move to the street name field. Type in the street name. Here it is Maple. Now tab to the predirectional field. No predirectional was given, tab again to the street number field.
The address we were given was 310 Maple. Click the Find key.
The customer did not tell us, but there is a 310 Maple Street and a 310 Maple Avenue. Ask the customer which one they live at.
A customer may be using a post office box for their mail. Address Find can verify those addresses too. Select the post office box's radio button. Just like with the address search, type in the zip code.
After the zip code, press the Tab key 3 times to move to the street number field.
The box number is 25. Enter it in the street number field. Click the Find button.
The search returns all the boxes for the selected zip code that begin with 25. You can select the one you want from the list.
Address Find uses Willow Bend's 150 million plus address database to find and verify addresses. That database is updated every 30 days to contain the latest postal information. However, you can append other information to the data it returns, such as customer name or a company name, as we have done here.
If you utilize our web services to build your own application, the information you can attach is unlimited. If you use our cloud-based site and want to attach other information, please contact us. Willow Bend has information, such as many business names, already appended to the data. Congressional districts and longitude and latitude are available. The RESBUS indicator may not be available to all licensees, due to Postal Service license restrictions.
Thank you for your time. We appreciate you looking at our solution. We hope you find it is a product you want to pursue. Please visit our website for more information.